knows a dog like his or her owner.
And a UMass Medical School researcher is tapping into that knowledge in hopes of leading to healthier lives for dogs and for people, too. Dr. Mallika Marshall is on the Health Watch.
What I love about Daisy is she's just a cute little hound dog.
But Josh Corliss and his mom, Marianne, didn't always know what kind of dog they really had.
We thought she was a red-bone coonhound and a mix of some sort.
She's a mix, all right.
So we found out that our red-bone coonhound is actually half bloodhound and about a third boxer and another third of Heinz 57.
I really wasn't expecting boxer. Seriously, boxer?
The Corliss family was able to map out the tail of Daisy's DNA, but that's only half of the story. Daisy is among the thousands of dogs enrolled in the Darwin's Dogs Project.
It's crowd science.
Along with the DNA sample, Marianne and Josh are constantly responding to online surveys about Daisy's traits and behaviors.
I don't really get it now, but whenever I'm a little older, I think, oh, this is really cool.
So this is our wall of dogs.
The researcher behind Darwin's Dogs, Eleanor Carlson, may be able to explain it better.
We can study behavior in dogs really easily by just working with the dog owners, by just asking them, with the goal of trying to look at how differences in a dog's DNA matches up with differences in their behavior.
The initial goal of Darwin's Dogs was to look at obsessive-compulsive behavior. The study has expanded to also explore food allergies.
We don't understand what causes these diseases. And the only way to really find new treatments and new effective ways of actually treating them is to know what the cause is.
Finding that cause hidden in dogs' genetics could eventually lead to a breakthrough for humans, too.
Even though there's a lot of differences between dogs and humans, when you kind of look at the really kind of important things that are relevant to health, there's not that many differences. Dogs get a lot of the same cancers as we do. They get a lot of the same kind of psychiatric diseases as we do.
You're such a good girl.
Learning more about Daisy and disease.
They are truly, truly interested in figuring out more about man's best friend.
Darwin's Dogs is always looking for new citizen scientists to join the project, and it's completely free to sign up. As you can imagine, demand is quite high, so be patient. It could take some time before you get those DNA results back. I'm Dr. Mallika Marshall, WBZ News.